Da-dee-da-dee-doo.
That beach party was wild.
I know.
It was amazing.
I know. Ooh.
Oh,
What's this?
What's that?
I have no idea.
Looks like a portal. Let's go into it.
Ooh.
Let's just get a better look.
Ah!
Is anything in there?
You have a look for yourself.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
What? Where are we?
I think we're in Mars.
Mars? How?
I don't know.
Do you think any aliens are there? Should we go home?
I'm not sure because the portal's gone.
Wait, what?
Did you hear that?
No, actually I did not. I definitely heard something this time.
Yes.
That was... Was that an alien?
Yeah, I think
Oh.
it is. Now, the portal's over there.
Wait, it is? Oh,
Yeah. We gotta
it
jump
is.
from the other planets to planet.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, that's doable. Let's go.
Yay, we made
We're here.
it.
Let's go.
back
Let's go.
through the
Yeah.
portal. Yay, we're back.
Yes, let's go.
Yay.
Do you wanna
Let's have
throw-
another beach party
Yeah, let's
to
go another beach party.
celebrate.
Who are we gonna invite?
Our best friends.
Absolutely. Let's go.